What's good, boss chicks? Welcome back to another video. Here are all the products that we're going to be using in today's video. So if you want to see those products, just pause this and then take a screenshot and you can see all the colors that I'm going to be using. So anyway, sis, I was supposed to post this video a long time ago, but I have to apologize. I've been working. I've been really tired. I got a procedure done. But if you've been following, you already know what it is as far as that goes. But getting back into these nails, is when I say I just love these pastel colors blended together. These nails turned out so freaking good. Now, I'm not going to show every nail on camera simply because it's almost the same thing. I just place the colors down like kind of wet, make sure that they blend it in, and they're not even in the same order, so every nail is going to look different. The pinky nail is going to have an ombre. The ring nail is going to be full of this sort of kind of marble, but not marble, kind of like patchy look, but the colors will blend together. As well as I found some old glitter that I have by, I want to say it's Glam and Glitz. I had it for a really long time. I thought that it would really look cute on top of this, so I'm going to place that on top, and it's going to be kind of scattered about. Make sure that you do have your notifications turned on for the channel. In the next upcoming video, I'll show you how to shape these nails, as well as I'm going to be doing a product review, so make sure you have on your notifications so you don't miss out on the next videos that I have coming up. Y'all, when I say I am super excited, like I want to scream, but I'm not, because that's going to mess up the microphone. However, we have so much going on. We are almost at our 1,000 subscriber goal. I have collaborated with a lot of different brands. We got some discount codes coming. I am super excited about where this channel is going for 2024. So sis, make sure that you come along with me on this journey. And yeah, y'all, I'm excited. If you ain't excited, get excited. I got some nail hauls coming up. There's a lot going on, but listen, I'm trying to be real here, and I try to keep it all the way real over here on this channel and let you guys know exactly what's going down, what's happening, so on and so forth. So I am trying to push out all this content that I have as far as all these brand collaborations and stuff like that. And on top of that, I got a personal life that I'm also trying to run. I'm not gonna cap, doing social media is very hard, so I need for you to bear with me. For my A1 day ones from the beginning, shout out to y'all, because you keep me motivated to keep on going and keep on bringing this content. If there's anything that you want to see in particular, like you want a dedicated video for shaping, nail shape, filing, laying acrylic, gel, poly gel, whatever you want to see, let me know by dropping that in the comment section below. And as well as all of my discount codes for all the brands, my social, and all of that is in the description box below. Do not be afraid, honey. We are building a community. Reach out, let me know. I am going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, let me know that as well. If this video has been helpful, you like the vibe here, consider subscribing to the channel. Be sure to like and comment. And as always, boss chicks, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down. You should ride on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time. When you say you want me for life, was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya. Begging on my knees just to show ya. You're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.